Since the 1970s, the world's oceans have absorbed 93% of heat created by greenhouse gases. The effect of the world's oceans warming causes many issues for the coastal areas of North America and Europe. Human activities that create CO2 to be released in the air cause oceans to absorb the CO2. Right now, oceans absorb about 1/4 of the CO2 released. Ocean acidification causes changes in the salinity of oceans, and because of this, the oceans are more capable to melt land and sea ice. When CO2 combines with H2O, it creates carbonic acid and then turns into carbonate ions. Ocean acidification affects marine life in many ways. The excess carbonate ions affect how marine life grows shells as well as skeletons. In the Florida Keys, ocean acidification is taking a toll on the coral reefs. In the Upper Keys, reef dissolution is a huge problem. The worst years of coral reef bleaching in the Keys were between 2014 and 2015. The limestone that the reefs grow upon are unable to form when ocean acidification occurs. Studies show that it is not until 2050 that the pH will fall low enough to stop the reefs from dissolving. A collection of water from the Biscayne National Key Park helps researchers determine the future health of the reefs. The loss of reefs also means a loss of habitat for fish and marine life in the Keys. Scientists urge the public to limit their emissions if they still want their reefs to remain.